Hey guys, it's your girl Bella, and today I'm doing a well-awaited video, and it is a room tour. So here, ignore my voice, it's like really bad. Ignore my tongue because I ate candy. But like, this is a room tour, and since I got some stuff for Christmas that you guys haven't seen, look at everything with me, and yeah. So I do want to say I'm very grateful for everything that I got for Christmas, but I got a new vanity. So yeah, so I'm just gonna do a quick overview of the room, and I also cleaned it for this video, so it's not this clean ever, but I thought like maybe I'll clean it for them just in case. And some things aren't over here because like maybe like I have them in a different room or something. But yeah, this is my outfit real quick. Oh, wrong way. Oh. Basically, I'm wearing this shirt. It's like Hello Kitty, and then some strawberry shortcake bottoms, and then my bluey slippers. Hey! Ooh, that was really bad. So let's start with the overview. Probably gonna start with, let's start like with when you walk through. When you walk in, there's this poster of like this frog, and then over here is like my Dancer Strong Company one, and then because I made it myself, and then my 6 practical uses for marshmallows. And then over here is like, I like to say Taylor Swift stuff. I do love Taylor Swift. She's my favorite singer. I like Taylor Swift and Benson Boone because I went to Benson Boone's concert, but like, I love Taylor Swift, so yeah. Next, we have this area that's also Taylor Swift. It's just like a whole Taylor Swift designated area. We have a Mariah Elizabeth poster, Hello Kitty, You Make Me Happy, and then this is like my whole area. I do like baseball and like stuff like that. So I have the Texas Rangers right there, and then the Texas Rangers like little jersey that I got from Walmart. And then these are my purses. This one my grandma, well actually here's a little thing just so you guys know that I'm not very spoiled. This one my grandma got for me on accident. She got it for herself and she noticed that it was too small. This one's my mom's old one. This one is a Loungefly, and they're not too expensive, and I got it on my birthday. This one my grandma got for me. It's Betsey Johnson. And then I have another Loungefly, but it's somewhere else. This is my TV stand. Basically in here it's like my singing stuff because I really like singing. I have my Nintendo Switch, I have my Dancer Strong trophy, a B, my Alexa, and then I have my Bedazzled remote. And then over here is just some photos of me. This was my 5th grade poster board to get to know me, and this is just some random stuff, and then this is also random stuff, but it's kind of extras, and this is more stuff about like singing. And then up here is like my TV, and then those are more things about me, like more, but they're old memories. And then yeah, this is my vanity area, and this is my more favorite area. I love this area of my room. So first in here, it's like lip balm, and I have my rings, and then I have my jewelry, Kendra Scott jewelry box under that, and then I got that for Christmas. And then this is my Aquaphor, some bracelets, and then some nails on the bottom, a tissue box, and then this is kind of like user area, but it's okay. The bottom, it's like fake nails, bows, some hair ties, and then bedazzling kit. Here's like some bags. Ooh, it's kind of dark in here. Some bags, and then like gel nail polish, normal nail polish, that stuff. Stuff is supposed to be for like whenever I get this like organizer that's gonna go here, and the trash can will go above it. But yeah, now this is what's in my vanity. So first, this is my stool, and this is my vanity. But this is my vanity, and I really like it. It's very cutesy. But this is what's on the top of the vanity. So I have right here, this is my little Bella thing. It's like a Bella mirror, and it's really cute. I have my bracelets and jewelry on it. This is a Hello Kitty makeup brush holder, and it has like my makeup brushes because I don't really do base makeup, but yeah. This is, so I have my EOS moisturizer, and then I have my native moisturizer. I use them every day. This one I do recommend. It's just kind of, in my opinion, smells like vanilla bean. So yeah, but it's totally worth the hype, I think. And then over here's my curling iron. I have a whole bunch of curling irons if you couldn't tell. Yeah, I have 3 right now. So like, this is kind of my like curling iron that I'm currently using. We got a mirror, which is like a trifold mirror. Hold on, let me open it. My mirror, and then it lights up. It also has the glass top, but I'm gonna move this over here, and I'm gonna show you like, these are my earphones. This is like my nice, expensive like Cuban Spanish perfumes because I'm Cuban. If you guys didn't know, I'm Cuban American. I'm gonna show what's in the drawers just really quick because that's for a vanity tour. Yeah, and here it has like deodorant, some body spray. It's got these cute sunglasses from Daysol, and then it has all my Sol de Janeiros, my EOS body mist. I have my Voish New York body lotion, And I have Japanese cherry blossom lotion, this Sunny Days, and then I have e.l.f. bronzy drops that I bedazzled and crystal deodorant that I bedazzled. And I have Starface and Hello Unicorn. With all my makeup in it, I don't really have anything to show. This is what I use like most of the time that I grabbed for. This stuff is like lip glosses and like there, that's lip glosses and makeup wipes. This is just like base makeup. One has like all my hair stuff that I use a lot of the time. So my bling bling, some hair ties under there, my bluey hairbrush, this detangling hairbrush, some clips, Heatless Curls headbands, rubber bands, etc. This side we have this, which is full of like more Bath and Body Works body sprays. This like expensive one. That was for my grandma, by the way. And then these are like off-brand Touchlands because Touchlands are too expensive. This one has more hair stuff, but we're not even gonna look at that. It has other hair stuff, but it's like hair sprays and like hair dye. Okay, this stuff is like jewelry. These drawers are just my extra packaging because I like to keep it. You never know, you know? And then in this drawer, we have like claw clips, headbands, like stuff like that I use a lot. And then here's just like makeup, skincare headbands, and then like these and that stuff. Okay, so now that we've like finished the vanity, now we're gonna move on to like the wall above the vanity. So that's like what we're gonna do. Okay, so up here it says like you're like really pretty, and it's like me and like all my friends. These are my fake like tour like things. It's like with my stuffed animals, but yeah, we're not gonna go on to that yet. Yeah. My really dirty desk, but we're not gonna worry about it. The cute thing is that my like Dancer Strong group is right here, and then my Mariah Elizabeth book that I got last year for Christmas, and then I also have this that I got, and then yeah, this is like stuffed animals, blankets, heater because it's cold in my house, some charger blocks, and then this is my like nightstand that has like my water bottle, some more water bottles, so I'm picky. My iPad, here I am, and it's 6:41 while I'm looking like filming this. And then over here is my like sound box. It's like, this is my lamp, and it's a little bit different than my aesthetic, but yeah. I almost forgot to show my little stuffies. So now we're gonna do my bed, and like yeah, all of this stuff that's like my trophies and stuff. And then over here it's like Bella, and it's like all my favorite things. And then that thing I was saying 1 and thing 2 with my friend. Okay, so like I was saying, this is like my pillowcase. I just got this new bed set for Christmas. Now I got this stuffed animal, this stuffed animal. This is, okay, I'm just gonna like show my stuffed animals real quick. Penelope, she's like my little bunny. I got her for Easter a couple like years ago. Hoppy, I've had her since I was like literally not even born. They stay on my bed like next to here. Also, if you guys don't know, Halloween is my favorite holiday, so I have this, and I named it Boo and Blanket because this has like eyes on it, but they're like somewhere hidden. I got this also, and these are from Decorator's Warehouse. These I don't know where they're from. This one I'm probably from Pinterest or something, I don't know. It's from Target though. And then I got this bow pillow from Amazon, and then my tissues because I'm going through a little bit of a cold. Dresser, a little dresser haul, and here is like my PE clothes and like stuff for school. More for stuff for school. There's all my socks. This is all my pants, shorts, my pajamas. I'm gonna show my closet, but not that much. Yeah, we're just not gonna go through this that much. Hey, there's my clothes. You guys enjoyed, and I really want to do some videos on like tongue drum tutorials and like how to play tongue drum, because I played the tongue drum, and I don't know if you guys knew that, but I got it for Christmas, and I'm pretty good at it so far. But I can play Country Road, the chorus, and I can do that in a short. But please go vote on my poll. This one won so far, but I'll keep doing whichever ones you like. Bye. Mwah.